Welcome to the MixedSid channel where we do cocktails, and to celebrate VE Day we're going to do two British themed cocktails. Because we have done before on the channel, but we're going to do them again just to celebrate VE Day. It is a big day, 75 years since the Allies won. Because they won it. But it's been 75 years since the Allies won, and to celebrate VE Day we're making a Union Jack cocktail and the Suffering Bastard. If you've watched my previous video about the Suffering Bastard, it dates back to 1942 from Skyalom as an Egyptian bartender that made it for the British Army, and they liked it so much that they took it back to England. Right, so the first cocktail we're going to make today, guys, is the Suffering Bastard, and I will show you how to make this. Right, so get your cocktail shaker and put in some ice. Right, the first thing we're going to go in, guys, is 30ml of gin, which is 1 ounce. Because we're using the Tanqueray brand because it's a quality gin, I do like it. So my favourite has to be Plymouth gin, I'll be honest. Right, next, 30ml or 1 ounce of bourbon. As you can see, guys, we're using the Knob Creek brand. It's a very high quality bourbon, would recommend. Next, 15ml or half an ounce of lime juice. So we're switching up from last time, so we used lime cordial last time. So that'll toss it up a bit. And next is 2 dashes of angostura bitters. Right, now the ingredients are ready. Put your lid on and give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get it nice and chilled. And now we've given it a good shake, time to strain into our highball glass. And the final thing to do, guys, is just to top it with ginger ale. And the last thing for the Suffering Bastard, guys, is to garnish it with a mint sprig. Give it a slight to release the aroma, the mint aroma. There we go, 1 Suffering Bastard. Right, the next cocktail, guys, is the Union Jack cocktail. Right, for this cocktail, it's a build, for this, it's into 3 layers this cocktail, so we'll go build it. The first ingredient going in, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of Grenadine. Because the Grenadine is very thick, so it's perfect for sitting at the bottom. Because we're trying to get the red, white and blue colour. Right, to get the white colour clear, now I'm going to use the back of a bar spoon and pour slowly the Maraschino over the Grenadine. And the last ingredient is the green Chartreuse. This is close to what I'm going to get the blue colours, because it might be more of a green colour. Just because there's no blue colour that's high enough and proof to sit at the top. As you can see, Chartreuse 55, so it'll sit perfectly at the top. So that's why we're using green Chartreuse. Because if you use a blue Curacao, it wouldn't sit at the top, it's not strongly proof. That's a bad pour on, that's fucking. Should have done this from the start. There you go guys, that is the Union Jack cocktail. So I'll give you a close up. You can see the greens are laid perfectly on top, and then you got the clear in the middle, and then the grenadine sitting at the bottom. So if you know any hybrids that are blue, just gonna say you good luck with that, good luck. But I've got this out of the Savoy cocktail bottle, that's the closest I've got. It's the green, clear and a red, so green, white and a red. So that's a Union Jack, and it's quite an appropriate one really, so it does go back in time, a long time ago, the Union Jack cocktail. And there is two cocktails, the Union Jack cocktail and the Suffering Bastard. Let's celebrate VE Day with these two British cocktails. Certainly packs a punch, Suffering Bastard, you can see where it gets its name. So with gin and bourbon together, it's a beautiful combination, especially with ginger ale, so it's a nice balance, especially with the lime juice as well. Right, for the Union Jack. Yeah, very powerful, the green Chartreuse, because they're certainly getting all, because it's layered to the green Chartreuse. So again, the full punch from the green Chartreuse certainly hits you straight away, and I'd highly recommend it as well. Drink that slow, that's a bit more enjoyable, you can just take your time, but that just sit very solid in that, and that's a very smoother. But that is the VE Day cocktails. Hope you're all having a nice day, and remember to stay safe and enjoy VE's days. It's 75 years. And thank you to the troops and also our ancestors from the past that fought in the war. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails, and I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers.